Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter chocolate chip banana bread. It's banana bread with peanut butter and chocolate chips mixed in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then into a large mixing bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined and set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the very overripe bananas. Overripe bananas is key to good banana breads. Perfectly ripe bananas are never the same. Overripe bananas give the best flavor, moisture, and sweetness. Even if they're completely black, liquidy, or smell sour, you can still use them. The only reason to discard them is if they're moldy on the inside. If they're moldy on the outside but not on the inside, they're still usable. Or if the inside is moldy in one spot, you can cut that part off and use the part that's still good. The key here is to use very overripe bananas. Even if you have ones that are super overripe, you can still use them to make banana bread. Mash them up with a whisk. Then add in the melted butter, peanut butter, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them in until they're combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and add in the chocolate chips. I'm using mini chocolate chips. You can use regular if you prefer. And mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Level out the top. And bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool a little longer. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make peanut butter chocolate chip banana bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.